We have come this far. The ground is totally not really underneath us. The entire walk in.
Coordinates are on.
We were looking for a plane wreck in the middle of the woods. Yes, I almost fell in. We were looking for a plane wreck in the middle of the woods, and I'm trying not to step in the water hole. Where is the water hole?
There's a water hole there, babe.
Yeah, I'm like, I feel like I'm stepping down into the water hole.
25-year-old, no, 28-year-old Naga.
28-year-old Naga. Vintage Naga. Oh, I got a wet foot. Made it all the way out here with no wet foot. Got a wet foot.
I have a wet foot.
Wow.
Drinking water.
So,
There's clothes here.
so this plane went down in, when was it?
1997.
1997, but wasn't found until 2018.
There's a battery.
So we have found the plane crash. It is actually here. The NTSB coordinates are pretty much right on.
Yo, wait, is that
N9399W. We've got a battery.
God, that is so cold.
We've got a seat back.
Let me see this one.
That is a starter.
That's a starter.
That is a starter with a Bendix drive on it.
A chain. What is that?
We've got life jackets, engine. Yeah, I can see why they left it all here. Holy crap, look at this. You got to come here and see this. The propeller freaking is embedded in the tree.
Oh, really? Oh. Yo, wait.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that's the radio.
That's the radio.
Look at that. It certainly is.
Oh my goodness. This is in a swamp. It was a bit of an ugly bushwhack, but the coordinates are correct.
Yeah.
Everything lined up. This is completely buried in the swamp. Oh, look at that. Look at that, babe. It's got the tail number on it.
Isn't that the tail number?
That's the tail number.
No way!
But that's the tail number on there.
That is the tail number, yeah, N9399W. It's also on the...
No way! That is... I don't flip it. Flip it.
Flip this?
No!
Cherokee Pilots Association.
This has got the tail number on it.
Yo! That is crazy! Yo, this is my dream right now.
That is crazy.
No, this is my dream.
I
Get
know.
a picture of this prop from the angle you're standing
Oh,
at.
that is...
That
that's...
is just crazy.
That means that thing came flying in this direction to hit this tree.
Oh, yeah, this way.
direction.
No. It had to have come in backwards.
Oh, it would have.
And freaking went shook
So in through here.
in through
Yeah.
here.
It's a clearing,
backwards,
too. I mean...
And then caught the. So
Yeah.
it had to have been freaking
Wait, no, that way.
As it got just shredded by
That way.
every tree that it hit on the way in.
That way. The trees are kind of bent. I mean, there's not really any trees.
Yeah,
that are
I think
kind of
he's
cut
right.
down.
There's way
That way.
more.
That's the
trees
tail.
taken out
The
that
NTSB report said there was trees cut off 30 way up high, so far
direction.
away.
Them.
That's it.
Look.
Yeah?
That's it.
There's one there. There's one there. They're definitely been cut off.
Okay, well then it came in and it spun in.
On that
Because
way.
nothing's cut off that direction.
Yeah.
It must have come in and freaking.
Hold up.
Maybe
hold
it
up, Dad.
hit this and spun to the side. That's crazy.
That is.
We got life jackets.
They had all their emergency gear on board.
This is kind of my, like... Yeah, my friends were fucking
So, do you owe me $10?
Here's the rest of their
How bad and where?
avionics. We've got
Show me the avionics. Is that altitude? Oh, I stepped in a puddle now. I said
So is me.
Yeah.
I mean, I made it all the way out
what? Is that
here
avionics?
until
Is
like
that altitude?
literally like 10
I think
feet
so,
away,
yeah.
Is that altitude, sir?
And something. I hope you got my camera off when you're walking around here. You won't get pictures.
That is not
You
altitude.
won't get any more pictures.
What?
It's like at 18 or 17%.
Oh, there's another one right there too. What's that one?
You're better to close it.
This is altitude.
Oh, there's your altitude right there.
Altitude.
So everybody knows, we are not taking souvenirs. We are just taking photos. We're checking things out.
Stand by active, stand by active.
And then we're going to have to scoot because it's getting dark.
Yeah. And I don't feel like taking in the swamp.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, like that.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, did you say there was
Yeah, they got a lunchbox out here. They got they're still,
Like from an actual Naga.
they're still their luggage is out here.
But yeah. Did you get
Oh yeah, the battery.
Did you get a picture of the tail?
Oh yeah, I did.
That would be the cool thing to take a picture of, the tail number.
Ooh, look at all the cables. So you can see everything's cable drive. Cable driven.
So if they didn't find this till 2018,
Is that the yoke?
I mean,
that's
do we
part of the
assume that
that's part of
people
the
died in it or
things.
got out of here?
They died in it
Okay.
because they brought the not medical examiner, but forensic anthropologists from Western Michigan and Northern Michigan
In 2018.
Wait, that's the
in
yoke.
August of 2018, along with the NTSB came out and they collected the remains.
Okay.
That's the yoke.
So they had a place on Drummond Island, and but they lived in Howell. He worked for Ford, and she was a school teacher. And they were on Drummond Island. They were flying back, visual flight rules, so they flew straight west, and then they were going to go by the Mackinac Bridge, going straight south. Got bad weather, turned back north, and disappeared off. The only radar they had was Canadian radar.
Oh.
So they disappeared off Canadian radar, weren't found for 21 years. 21 years.
21 years.
I found the yoke.
You found the yoke?
That was the yoke.
I'm going around this side, looks like I have lost wall over here.
Oh, it's in there. It's all tied up. There's seat belts.
Not less water. That was definitely not less water.
I have the yoke.
That was a cold.
Yeah, my.
Oh, so after we bushwhacked into the swamp, we've stumbled across a little bit of trail. We started out on a little bit of trail.
Look at this weirdness.
Mattress stomp. This moss is deep.
Oh, and wet. And wet.
And wet. Well, it seems to turn right, huh?
I don't know. You tell me. Because now I got 2 wet feet on that corner.
I have 2 wet feet, please. No.